Okay, now we are going to discuss about other protozoan diseases. Already we learned about protozoans are unicellular. Unicellular, what single-celled organism which is distinct nucleus. Okay, and malaria is a causative microorganism, that is a protozoan. That one also, that is nothing but we can call Plasmodium. And other protozoan is also, that is Entamoeba histolytica. That name is Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica ectoparasites. It lives in human being large intestine. Human being large intestine. That means it took the shelter in human being large intestine. It is cause of this Entamoeba histolytica. This is parasite, cause of amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery disease. These amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery disease, the cause of Entamoeba histolytica. Entamoeba histolytica, it is a monopodia, just like this organism, monopodia. That means single pseudopodia, which is living in large intestine of the human being body, and it transmitted from fecal material to whatever the excretory material of human being who are infected person excretory material to healthy person, transmitted by one more vector is there, transmitted by housefly. Housefly is the vector of what? Amoebiasis. That means what? It is the what, especially for transmit the disease from fecal material. When that housefly, again it is what? It is what adding. When these houseflies are touching the fecal material of excretory material of infected person, same that houseflies again touching our food materials. When we are eating that food material, that is contaminated food material, it causes of amoebic dysentery. That means these Entamoeba histolytica enter into the body, human being body, through with what? Fecal material. The mediator is what? Transmitted by houseflies. Okay, housefly. What are the symptoms of what? Amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery. The symptoms of amoebiasis or amoebic dysentery, okay, especially for what we call abdominal pain, stomach ache, abdominal pain, and motions with mucus and blood, little bit blood and mucus motions, okay, and indigestion problems, and also what? Stomach ache, abdominal pain. Okay, these are the primitive symptoms of what? Amoebiasis. The cause of what? Contaminated food materials. Okay, the causative microorganisms are amoebiasis, what? Entamoeba histolytica. Okay, now we are discussing about what? Helminthic diseases. What is helminthic disease? That one, worms. Some worms are cause of some diseases. It affects human being body. Some worms also. Which type of worms? Round worms. Even platyhelminthes, flatworms also cause of some diseases. Here, helminthic diseases. Which are helminthic diseases? Especially human beings are affected with what? Which type of diseases? One disease with ascariasis and other disease is elephantolysis. That is nothing but filaria. First of all, we have to discuss about what ascariasis. Ascariasis is the disease name. It causes of causative parathogen. Causative organism is Ascaris lumbricoides. This worm, Ascaris lumbricoid, is cause of ascariasis disease. This ascariasis disease, how it is mode of transmission from infected person to healthy person? It is what? Contaminated water, through with contaminated water, fruits, spoiled fruits, vegetables, and what? Contaminated with the fecus, contains egg of the parasite of infected person, spread this disease that through with water through with food materials. The fecal material, whatever eggs is transmitted through with what contaminated water. If you drink that contaminated water, it affects what? Us also. If it affects human being body, healthy person also. So that it transmitted through with what? Water and vegetables and fruits. Whatever eggs it is entering outside the body with in infected person through with what? Especially fecal material. It is enter into the contaminated water. Through with contaminated water, it is enter into the healthy person's body. It causes Ascaris disease. Okay, the causative microorganism is what? Ascaris lumbricoidea. And what are the symptoms of Ascaris lumbricoidea? The symptoms, if infected with Ascaris, it causes of what? Internal bleeding inside the body, inside the what? Intestine. Internal bleeding and muscular pains, fever, anemia, blood percentage also decreasing, and blockage of the intestinal passage. No free bowel movement. It stops the free bowel movement also. So that it is also one type of what? Disease which is the cause of what? Worms, roundworms. Okay, nothing but Ascaris lumbricoidea, nothing but we can call roundworms also. Roundworms also. Okay, the disease name is Ascarisis. Now, other helminthic disease is what? Elephantiasis. Elephantiasis. What is the meaning of elephantiasis? That is the elephant foot like size. That means the lower limbs are increasing, swelling like elephant foot. So that the name given elephantiasis and elephantiasis. That means the lower limbs are increased the size, increased swelling occurs in lower limb. Whatever lymphocytes is there, there are swelling. The lower limbs and lower genital tract infected with what? These elephantiasis. Okay, this disease nothing but we can call filaria disease also. Filariasis. Filariasis also we can call filaria or filariasis. Generally, it cause of what? Wuchereria bronchiopti. What is that one? Disease causing microorganism of filaria or elephantiasis is Wuchereria bronchiopti or Wuchereria malayi. Wuchereria malayi or Wuchereria bronchiopti is the causative microorganism of filaria. Causative microorganism of elephantiasis. What are the symptoms of how it is transmitted? First of all, we have to do it is transmitted for infected person to healthy person. It transmits with what? Vector. One vector is there. The female Culex mosquito. The vector of elephantiasis or filaria, female Culex mosquito. It transmits the disease from infected person to healthy person. Okay, what are the symptoms of what these elephantiasis or we can call filaria? Who are infected person of filaria? Slowly, what will be happening? Inflammation of what? Chronic inflammation of mostly lymphatic vessels. These filaria worm, it lives in infected person's body so many years. Their limbs, their legs are increasing the size, slowly increasing the size. Finally, it is cause of death. It is a very serious and dangerous disease, elephantiasis. Causative microorganism is Wuchereria bronchiopti, transmitted by female Culex mosquito. The symptoms are slow chronic inflammation of mostly lymphatic vessels on the lower limbs and genital organs are increasing the size. Finally, it causes death. It is a chronic, one type of chronic disease. And after that one, and some more example of fungal diseases. Already we learned about what helminthic diseases, bacterial diseases, viral diseases, and now we have to discuss about what an example of what? Fungal diseases. Generally, fungus is growing especially in the moist areas where it is having moisture and heat is required to grow fungus. Suitable to grow the fungus, moisture and wet area and heat. Okay, these are required to increase fungus generally. In our body also some fungal, we are also human beings also infected with some fungal diseases like ringworm. That fungal disease name is what? Ringworm. Especially for, this is the skin disease, especially for allergic disease, skin disease. where does infected with ringworm? At the place, especially for between toes, okay, at the region of ankle, at the region of genital parts, we are infected with ringworm. That means generally skin is what normal. It is the tissue is formed slowly at the where does we are infected with what ringworm, at that place, and that skin is dry, and that place is slowly tissue is increased. It's cause of itching. Okay, it's cause of itching. The causative microorganism of ringworm, disease name is ringworm, Microsporum, Trichophyton, and Epidermophyton. Okay, causative microorganisms are Microsporum, Trichophyton, and Epidermophyton. That is it is a skin disease. That means it is transmitted with what? Soil. Transmitted with soil, or it is cause of what? Direct, if you touch the infected person or any object, that is which is infected. Okay, for example, any person is infected with what? Ringworm. If we touch in that place, automatically it is what? Who the other person, healthy person, also infected with the ringworm. Direct contact also it cause of what? Ringworm. Especially causative organisms are Microsporum and Trichophyton and Epidermophyton. Okay. Symptoms of dry scaly lesions, that means place. Lesions means what? Where it has the between toes, that is a place. Okay, tissue is formed on various parts of the body. Okay, just like in between toes, ankle, the tissue is formed. It's cause of dry skin and itching at that place. Okay, slowly it is spreading. Okay, so that it is a ringworm is also another type of what? Fungal diseases. Thank you.